Performance. Definition in an automotive context. The relationship between power output, revolutions per minute, fuel or fluid consumption, and ambient conditions in which an engine operates. Today, I'm going to give you one tip to greatly improve the performance of your BMW. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you've installed a few mods or if your BMW is stock standard. Either way, this is going to greatly improve the performance of your BMW's engine. My name is Michael Taylor and welcome to 5 Minute Fridays. Sounds a bit ordinary, doesn't it? A bit flat. Well, fortunately, it's an easy fix. I can just tune it. Now, the same principle applies with your car's engine. All it takes is for one piece in a multitude of different moving parts to be out of sync with everything else, and the performance is flat. That's why having your BMW's engine regularly tuned is the one piece in the puzzle towards achieving greater performance from your engine. Now, the crazy thing is, most of you probably already know this, so why aren't you doing it? Now, it doesn't matter whether you do the servicing yourself or whether you pay a mechanic to do it for you. Either way, having your car regularly tuned will result in greater engine performance. So if we look back at the guitar, I really like analogies. It's a beautiful build quality. Excellent quality timber will produce a beautiful tone. It's got a great quality bridge, neck, tuners, and the best quality strings. But if all these parts aren't regularly tuned to work together, then you end up with a flat performance. Now, the same applies with your car's engine. You can use the best quality parts, filters, spark plugs, oil, and the best quality fuel. But if all these parts aren't tuned to work together harmoniously, then you're missing out on lost performance or horsepower. The best way to have your car's engine tuned is dyno tuning. The engine can be tuned and optimized to deliver the best possible performance for your specific engine, environment, and driving style. So if your car's stock and you just want it to perform at its best, deliver reasonable horsepower, fuel economy, and engine life, then having your car's engine dyno tuned will achieve this. But if you've installed a few mods, say an intake and an exhaust, then having your engine dyno tuned will certainly help to take advantage of that increased airflow throughout your engine. When you have your car dyno tuned, you can also set the parameters for your specific goals. Say, you want more horsepower or fuel economy and maybe longer engine life. Dyno tuning will help to achieve all this. Dyno tuning in your local area will also help to take advantage of the ambient conditions in your specific environment, perhaps hot or cold climate. And if you live close to sea level, then dyno tuning can take advantage of the extra oxygen in the air at these lower sea levels. And the difference between this and a tune-up by your local mechanic is that your local service agent will just perform a generic tune as outlined by the engine manufacturer. It doesn't allow for specific external factors which can hold your engine back from delivering the full potential of your engine's performance. It's a safe tune. It also doesn't take into account any other mods that you may have made. Once again, you're missing out on the full potential of the performance from your engine. Unlike the guitar, which you can tune yourself, if you want to have your car dyno tuned, then you're going to have to pay somebody to do it. And depending where you live, this is probably going to set you back a few $100s. And possibly even more if you want a more specific tune to match those aftermarket mods that you've installed. But the gains are so worth it. You can find a local specialist tuner in your area by searching the internet. Check out their reviews and customer feedback. Find out what experience they have working on your specific model. Also, you could perhaps join some Facebook groups and ask other members for their recommendations on a good tuner. I also like to pay a personal visit to their workshop. A clean, uncluttered workshop with a heap of cars in the garage is generally a good indication that they are a reputable tuner. It will also give you an opportunity to have a face-to-face conversation with the tuner, to perhaps outline your specific tuning goals and to get their feedback and recommendations on the best tune for your car. So if you're after better performance for your BMW, regardless of whether it's stock or had a few mods installed, then getting a tune will greatly improve the performance of your BMW. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, remember to click that like button because it really helps out my channel if you do. Also, leave me a comment below. Is tuning your BMW a regular part of your BMW's service routine? Leave me a comment below. Also, if you'd like to see more content about DIY maintenance, performance upgrades, and to follow the build of my BMW E46 325 Ci Coupe, then consider subscribing and don't forget to ring the bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. But as always, I've really enjoyed your company. Thanks for watching the latest episode of 5 Minute Fridays, and until we meet again, look after yourselves, stay safe, and TTFN.